Good morning. This is Justin Weaver, reporting to you live from an undisclosed location, offering up some non-snow emergency realness. Listening to Lady Gaga Pandora, wondering where the fuck all the snow is. After much thought this morning in the shower, I can't help but think that this was all a masterminded plan concocted by ShopRite to get people to come in and buy their overpriced milk. Who's with me? Anyway, I'm happy you're all home, enjoying your snow day. And maybe we'll get some snow later. F you, Steve Caparizzo. Thank you.